charged for all this, and it's because it was an accident is why you guys had to come in.
This video shows a heated argument between a driver and deputies after a minor accident. The driver insists it's just a civil matter and wants to use his own tow company to move the car. Deputies argue that their supervisor already decided the vehicle should be towed, creating a clash of authority. The driver grows frustrated, demanding badge numbers, questioning the laws, and refusing to hand over the keys. What should have been simple paperwork turns into a standoff filled with confusion, anger, and back-and-forth arguments. What do you think about this story? Share your thoughts in the comments.
I need your guys' badge IDs and numbers, please.
It's going to be on the paperwork. It's all in the
I need on my on here. I need.
You don't have to put that on there.
Okay.
It's written there for
That's
him.
fine.
You do have to give us your
Yes.
And everything was already cited. What we were gonna do, you guys can't change that at
What
all.
was decided?
That you were gonna leave this here. I was gonna get it towed up with my tow guy. That's exactly what he said. That's exactly what he said.
Are you going to listen to me or are you going to keep arguing?
I'll keep listening to you. Go ahead.
Okay. It was decided prior to him coming out here
Yeah.
by the supervisor that the vehicle was going to be towed.
Who's the supervisor?
Corporal Medina.
Okay. And then why did he tell us something different? What'd you tell us, sir?
That was his mistake. He didn't have the information.
No, what'd you say, sir?
I said that you can leave the vehicle here.
That he can leave the vehicle here.
Yeah.
Okay, and then I asked you that when I went over there, and I asked you all the rules that he can't just not drive this anymore. He is getting a charge for all this, and it's because it was an accident is why you guys had to come in. You said that it was going to stay right here. I can get this guy tow. You guys cannot. Are you serious? No, both of you guys. And nobody said once that this is. Nobody said this was going to get towed. Nobody said this was going to get towed. This is my vehicle. I'll get insurance on it right now, literally. Literally, and it's only reason why you're doing this is because I was questioning just the laws because I was confused because I was told something else.
You have to talk to my supervisor.
No. Okay, then go ahead and give me his phone number.
687
Yeah.
9262.
And what's his name?
Corporal Medina.
Okay. What's your guys' badge numbers?
It'll be on the paperwork.
Well, what's your badge number? You're supposed to give it to us when we ask you for it.
This is the thing that guys. I'm just trying to get back to work. I've already wasted 2 hours. I'm supposed to be managing a Big O Tires right now, and this is not getting towed today. This ain't. I'm going to get it towed, but I literally have a tow company. Fred's Towing. We work with all day is bring it to my shop. I'm not bringing it to a yard. I'm not bringing it to a yard. You're not giving him a key, and we don't have to. That's not even a law that we have to give a key for this. Do not give him a key to the vehicle.
I got supervisor coming for you.
That's fine.
So, we'll just hang out till she gets here.
That's good. You're still wasting my time, and we're not allowed to do
We'll be
this.
here with our own tow truck.
That was my mistake in giving you the wrong information.
We'll be here with our own tow truck, so you guys can't leave us for fucking 10 grand.
No, hey, we're not. No, stop, Jack. Brian. We're not giving you a key. It's not going to happen this way because a situation happened that may or may not happen. There's not even a clear-cut footage of him actually hitting it. I guarantee that. Because number one, cameras are right over there and right over there. Number two, if he did, he tried to talk to the lady and then do it as a civil matter.
The lady was the witness. Okay?
Correct.
So she witnessed him hit the vehicle.
That's what she said.
She was taking pictures.
And then that was fine. He tried to give her information, so it was a civil matter at that point. She called the cops in anger. Is what she called the cops.
Yeah,
not for fright,
yelling-
not for fear of her
yelling at me,
life, not for
calling me
anybody in
bitch.
pain. So your guys, my taxes right now
Why isn't
are be
she
wasted,
getting
and you guys
fucking
coming down here.
harassment
Number one, number two, you guys don't have to calm down, Brian. Number two, you guys don't have to be down here. You guys didn't have to be down here. He didn't harass, he didn't threaten, and she was not in danger.
And it was none of her business. I put the tag on here, backed up my truck to move it over a little bit more, which is, I was trying to. You watched my ass. I backed it up, moved it up a little more.
That was it.
There's no.
This is wrong. This is wrong.
Bullshit of trying.
Your supervisor's wrong at
you-
least because I know that
tried
you
to
can't
hit
make
and
this.
run.
Did you go into the store after you hit the vehicle?
No, I
Yes
hit
or
the
no?
vehicle. I hit the vehicle. The lady over here wanted to talk to me and ream my ass about it and freaking out as I'm writing the letter.
She is only a witness.
So I went over to her and I told her that it was none of her business.
Yeah, and then so
Brian, stay around me.
If he has insurance right now,
It's
Stop for a second. Let me finish. I called you
gonna
over
say-
here because I want you to talk to her.
You yelling at me? I'm good. You're good. You're good. You guys did change things, and I have it all. You guys cannot tow this vehicle right now, and you can't yell at me like that. I got all this. I know the laws. I know the laws. Yeah, you're right. I'm sorry.
So, I was gonna say, you can't hang out.
No, yeah.
Well,
So
like I said, I mean,
this is a civil matter. She didn't
told
do
you the
nothing.
absolute
Nobody's in
truth about
danger.
what happened.
That's my point. Nobody was in danger. This was a civil matter, and now they're trying to tell my Jeep that I was getting fixed for my wife, and he went on a test drive. Did he do a couple things wrong? Yeah, but not to get my car towed, and not to get harassment charges. Those are the two things that are wrong, and I'm not going to stand for it.
Sue the fuck out of it.
So,
This ain't going nowhere.
so, in the state of Colorado,
And now I'm wasting wages. You guys are wasting my money. And that I pay you guys for. Tax money is to pay you guys for. And that you're actually low. So he's your supervisor, so he makes the calls, not you. I understand all this.
so, and then, so, okay, anyways, so the reason why the vehicle is getting towed is because in the state of Colorado, you have to, when operating a motor vehicle, you have to have the vehicle. That is not a PD thing, that is a state of Colorado.
Absolutely.
So that's what it was. And then my mistake.
No, I've had that happen. I've had insurance tickets, and they say, no,
Right.
you got a ticket, you got to pay this, and bring proof of insurance, and I drive away.
Right.
And in an accident. Like my wife, she just backed in my own driveway, my Tahoe, backed her Tahoe into my sister-in-law's Suburban while she was taking a shower. So we still had to change out everything, and you know what? There was no problem there. Okay, so I mean,
were the police involved?
no, there's no police that had to be involved.
Right.
Police got called because a lady wanted to get
Police
hostile.
got called because she wanted to be a bitch over there.
Right.
Because she couldn't have a simple fucking conversation.
Yeah, so there's no reason for you guys to be in a public or civil matter at all right now, and it's wasting my money and your money.
Well, we have to take a report.
No, you don't. Well, she can call and make a report. Correct.
right, you're
This is all the wrong chain of command.
And so then whenever a party operating a motor vehicle was involved in an accident, doesn't have a driver's license, then it becomes, then I have to obviously, like I said, take
Charge him for no driver's license.
the insurance,
Correct.
and then the vehicle itself.
Yeah, but
doesn't
this
have
thing's
insurance.
yeah, but it's already parked with keys out of it. You guys cannot just go tow it. It's like pulling up into my yard and telling me that I have to tow your car out of your yard because you parked there. Like, no, you can't do that. It's right here, stationary, no keys in it. You guys cannot tow it.
But it was also involved in
And it was you're right, correct, which is a civil matter. You're correct.
Civil.
Also, it's an uninsured vehicle.
Correct. On
Automatic.
private property.
Sir, on private property, we can into the municipal code.
You can. So you're looking it all up right now.
No.
Well,
I'm telling you, this was discussed before you got here with my supervisor.
you guys are all backwards though. This ain't right. This guy, I'm not giving you the key to my vehicle.
I'm telling you, this
Not
was
at
all
all.
discussed before you got here
Okay.
when my supervisor left.
So you already charged him, right?
She's on her way.
Are we
here.
under arrest right now?
No.
Okay, let's go.
Bye.
Let's lock up.
So, I mean, like I said, I was just explaining it, and like I
Yeah.
said, that was my fault.
Yeah.
On giving
Yeah.
him the wrong
You got the
Where you
keys?
parked at, bro?
You got the keys?
No, I locked them in. Fuck that.
No. Why'd you do that? Why'd you do that?
By the end, nothing is really solved. The driver locks the car, refuses to give up the keys, and continues to argue that the police can't tow it. The deputies stand firm, saying their supervisor made the call. Voices get louder, tempers rise, and the situation feels stuck in a loop with no clear ending. What started as a small accident turns into a tense showdown, leaving both sides upset and frustrated. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real stories that matter.